Hi, I'm Patrick Tuttle, the real estate guy with Legacy Real Estate Services with your real estate market update for today. It is Friday, September the 10th, 2021, and we're looking at the August sales data along with the September available homes, and we'll be right back with your report. Alright, so we're back with the report, and before I get too far along, don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe so that you can get updates whenever we've got the updates to our market report or anything else that we post here on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever it is that you might be looking at this. Also, hit the like and share button so that you can share this with your friends if I'm giving value to you. And if you're interested in our services, give me a call at area code 915-588-1850. That's my cell number, and I'd be happy to visit with you. You can call me or text me on that, and I'll be happy to visit with you about how we can be of service to you. Now, on to our report. Market overview for August 2021. Always starting off with our resale homes. And what we've got on the resale market right now is, get my glasses on here, available homes. 816 homes available on the market, and that is down 6% from what we had a year ago. We had 868 homes on the market. We sold 741 homes in August of 2021, which is up 13.5% over last year, and you can see that line here where we've got that little bit of an increase, and we sold 653 last year. Pending home sales are down significantly, 27.4% decrease in pending home sales. Last August we had 729 homes go under contract. This year 27.4% down at 529. So what we know is that this isn't necessarily due to the availability of inventory, because our inventory is only down 6%, but pending home sales are down 27.4%. That's a significant difference. So that's telling us that the market is starting to go down just a little bit. We may see that that's some of the decrease of our seasonal activity as we get into the fall, and that last year may have just been up because of the COVID market that we had. Time will tell as we get further into the end of the year whether or not that's just a seasonal decrease or if this is something of an anomaly. Now, moving on, active price of the active listings. Active price. How about the average price of the active listings? $286,413 for the properties that are on the market today. That's the average price. Some of that's being propped up by some really high-priced homes that are out there. We've got one at $2.3 million on the market right now. That's the highest price that we've got in our marketplace. And then there are several other ones. I think there's 10 of them that are above $900,000, which is pulling that average up to about $286,000. And overall, there are 816 properties that are available through the Greater El Paso Association of Realtors Multiple Listing Service, those being resale homes. Number of homes sold in the last month. Again, we had 741 homes that sold. $228,902 is the average selling price. That's a huge number for us here in El Paso, and that also gives us a months of inventory of 1.31 months of inventory. What does that mean? It means that if nobody else put their house on the market today, next week, we would run out of all the homes to sell in about 1.31 months. So we're still low on inventory, but again, our pending sales is not down because of the low inventory. Price per square foot, $119.24. That's a record price for us here in El Paso, $119.14. Last August, we were at $102.24. So that's a big increase when you're talking about $17 a square foot, about a 17% increase. Not exactly, but it's pretty close to a 17% increase in the price that year over year. Average size of the homes, what'd you get for the money? 1,896 square feet on average this year, whereas last year we were at 1,936 square feet, so not a huge difference there. Biggest difference is that the price is just moving up. Now, on to our new homes report. New homes, this one's big. So, available homes that we have in the marketplace. 691 new homes on the market in the MLS, and that compares to last year. We had 1,012 homes, which that equates to an almost 32% decrease in the number of homes that are available. And remember, I always talk about this, and you probably get tired of it, that 691 homes that's available, they're not really available for you to move into in the next 30 days because you've got construction in progress. We're seeing more and more hit the marketplace that are finished, but there's still very, very few of them. So a 32% decrease in the number of available homes. The number of homes that were sold last month, get this, we had a 28% decrease in the number of homes sold year over year. There were 300 homes that were sold in August of 2020. This year, 215. A lot of that's due to the fact that we still had those COVID restrictions in place earlier this year, and the builders, they're having difficulty sourcing the materials to build these new homes, so that showed up here in our decrease in sales. That's big. 28% decrease in the number of homes sold in our new homes category. And then pending sales is down also. Last year, pending sales in August, we were at 318, and this year we are at 32% down, which is 216 homes pending in the month of August 2021. So that's a big decrease that we're looking at the new home market. And then what are we looking at on the average price? $296, $230 for those 691 homes that are on the market today. And the number of homes sold, again, we were at 215 homes sold, average price $261, $266. So that's a record price for our average on the new homes that were out there. And the months of inventory continues to be low. 3 months of inventory, meaning we'd sell out of everything, and pretty much the houses are getting contracts on them as soon as they get listed, but they're not getting delivered for many months into the future because of the lead time that they need on these products. Price per square foot went up to $134.4. $134.40 a square foot for these products that are being built out there. That's a record price for us here in El Paso for the average. Now realize that we've got some builders that are building almost at $300 a square foot. That's a really, really big number here in El Paso. We'll see if the market's going to sustain that. It's not that the builders aren't putting the value in, it's just whether or not the buyers are going to pay that, or whether some of the builders are going to have to take a little bit of a loss on that product. And time will tell on whether or not those things happen. Average size of the home, 1,935 square feet this year compared to last year, 1,856 square feet. Now that's on the ones that sold. If you remember last month, I told you that I thought that the size of the houses would start to decrease a little bit because as our price continues to rise, the affordability in our marketplace kind of evaporates. So if our economy stays good and the income raises, this size may stick around. But if not, what we're going to see is the size of the footprint is going to shrink as they try to stay into the more affordable price range. Time will tell how that goes. Again, these properties that were closed last month probably started 9 to 10 months ago, and then they just got to closing this past month. Interest rates remain low. This is one of the biggest challenges that I see in the market today, is that the money is so cheap that it makes so good sense to refinance, buy a new home, finance it. Even if you've got cash in the bank that you'd be able to pay for your property, it makes good sense, because if you're making 8, 9, or 10% interest on your money, why wouldn't you leave that money working for you and bank 7%, because you're getting money at 2.81% on average on a 30-year mortgage. That is so cheap compared to where the market has been over years. A year ago, August 2020, we were at 2.75%, so pretty much it remains unchanged when we come to the interest rates that are out there in the marketplace. And that is our market report for today. Again, like and share this, ring the bell so that you get notifications of new videos when we put them here on the marketplace. And if we can be of service to you here at Legacy Real Estate Services, please give me a call, area code 915-588-1850, or on the web, patrick@patricktuttle.com. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.